Presenting DIMOO, the Secret Theater Club. Spotted these extremely cute DIMOO in the Pop Mart store. Let's find out which is the cutest DIMOO in this series. The designs are Timid Lion, Maze Bunny, Granny Woof, Cherry Hoglet, Softie Sheep, Chubby Penguin. The rarity ratio for the secret design is 1 in every 72 blind boxes. I hope to get the secret today. This blind box is the lightest. This blind box is the heaviest. These two blind boxes have less than 2 grams. Estimated weight difference. The remaining 2 blind boxes also have less than 2 grams. Estimated weight difference. These 2 blind boxes have less than 2 grams. Estimated weight difference. This blind box feels more spacious. This blind box feels slightly tighter. The DIMOO World has glossy lamination. The Secret Theater Club. This timid lion design looks cute. These are the 6 designs. I hope to get the secret design. When I shake top and bottom, feels spacious with card sound. Shake front and back, feels spacious with weight in the middle. When I shake left and right, it's very spacious, with knocking sound in the middle. The DIMOO World on the top also has glossy lamination. It's Cherry Hoglet. Here's the design of the dust bag, drawstring bag. I wonder what is this white paper. Should I remove it? The 2 cute cherries on DIMOO's head. Instead of DIMOO's cloud face, it's the Hoglet face. Nice polka dotted collar. The arms cannot hold the closed position, it will bounce out. But arms can stretch wide apart. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. Cute cherries are embroidered on the tag. The DIMOO's head is rotatable. Do you like this Cherry Hoglet DIMOO? The estimated weight for this cherry Hoglet DIMOO from Pop Mart, the Secret Theatre Club series is 137.7 grams. This is the second blind box, which is less than 2 grams. Estimated weight difference from the first box. Timid Lion and Maze Bunny is my personal favorite. When I shake top and bottom, feel slight tight. Shake front and back, feels spacious with loose card sound, like loose items inside. Shake left and right, extremely spacious with very loud card sound. It's Softie sheep. Wait a minute, there are 2 cards. That's interesting. I love the details of the ears and horns. Cute sheep face on DIMOO's head. The fur is like sheep's wool. I wonder if I can remove the socks. The socks cannot be removed. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. 2 cute flowers are embroidered on the tag. The arms cannot hold the closed position, it will bounce out. The legs are not adjustable, but arms can stretch wide apart. Disclaimer: the estimated weight sharing is based on the blind box I am unboxing now. It do not guarantee you in getting your desired DIMOO design. The estimated weight for this Softie sheep DIMOO from Pop Mart, the Secret Theatre Club series is 136 grams. The estimated weight difference between Softie sheep and cherry Hoglet is 1.7 grams. Similar as the previous 2 blind boxes, these 2 blind boxes have less than 2 grams. Estimated weight difference. This box feels slightly spacious. This box feels more spacious than the other. Let's unbox the blind box that is less spacious. When I shake top and bottom, feels slightly spacious. Shake front and back, feels spacious with card knocking sound. Shake left and right, feels very spacious with packaging and card sound. It's Chubby Penguin. Such an adorable penguin face on DIMOO's head. Cute little sailor's hat. This chubby penguin DIMOO looks like a sailor. Cute blue and white striped socks. The arms cannot hold the closed position, it will bounce out. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. 2 anchors are embroidered on the tag. It seems that every DIMOO has different icon on the tag. How would you rate this, in a scale of 1 to 10? The estimated weight for this chubby penguin DIMOO, from Pop Mart, the Secret Theatre Club series is 141.6 grams. Based on the picture, my personal favorite is Maze Bunny, and Timid Lion. I seriously hope to get the secret design. When I shake top and bottom, it's more spacious than Chubby Penguin. Shake front and back, it feels tight but there is knocking sound. Shake left and right, feels very spacious. Please note that the weight sharing is just an estimate. It do not guarantee the design you will be getting. It's Granny Woof. Let's remove the paper around the neck. I can't find the eyes. Can you spot it? Nice ribbon attached to the cape. The arms cannot hold the closed position, it will bounce out. But arms can stretch wide apart. The legs are not adjustable. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. 2 Woof paws are embroidered on the tag. The tail is not adjustable, it bounced back to its original position. This DIMOO looks like the Woof wearing the cape, pretending to the granny, in the Red Riding Hood story. The estimated weight for this Granny Woof DIMOO, from Pop Mart, the Secret Theatre Club series is 140 grams. The estimated weight difference between Granny Woof and Chubby Penguin is 1.6 grams. My last 2 chances to get the secret design. This blind box feels heavier. This blind box feels lighter. Let's unbox the heavier blind box. Shake top and bottom. It feels heavy and tight with little space. Timid Lion and Maze Bunny is my personal favorite. I seriously hope to get the secret design. Shake top and bottom. It feels heavy and tight with little space. When I shake front and back, feels full and heavy with loud knocking sound. Shake left and right, feels spacious but there is heavy weight. I really hope it's the secret design. It's Timid Lion. This Timid Lion looks so adorable. Let's remove the paper around the neck. The arms cannot hold the closed position. It will bounce out. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. 2 buttons are embroidered on the tag. The tail is adjustable. You can bend it however you like.
Ah!
The outfit can be removed. The socks cannot be removed. Which DIMOO character from the Secret Theater Club series is your favorite? The estimated weight for this timid lion DIMOO from Pop Mart, the Secret Theater Club series is 150 grams. This is my last blind box, my last chance to get the secret design. I seriously hope to get the secret design. When I shake top and bottom, feels spacious and light. Shake front and back, extremely spacious with loud knocking sound. Shake left and right, it feels very light and spacious. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. It's Maze Bunny. No, it's not the secret design.
Wow.
Even though it's not the secret, this Maze Bunny is still adorable. The ears are adjustable. You can bend it however you like. Let's remove the paper around the neck. Do you like this outfit? The arms cannot hold the closed position. It will bounce out. Pop Mart engraved on the metal ring. Spade and diamond symbol are embroidered on the tag. The lace collar can be removed. The outfit is attached to the plush, so it can't be removed. Please note that the weight sharing is just an estimates. It do not guarantee the design you will be getting. The outfit looks like the rabbit from the Alice in the Wonderland story. The estimated weight for this Maze Bunny DIMOO from Pop Mart, the Secret Theater Club series is 132.6 grams. Maze Bunny is the lightest. Timid Lion is the heaviest. I have unboxed today. This is the secret design. I hope you get it. Good luck. Till then, happy toy collecting.